and welcome to Fletcher Farms Amarillo. I'm Julie Fletcher. Thank you all so much to everybody that reached out to us to ask how we were doing during the storms. We've survived the storms. The worst of it has come through already. We didn't get very much snow, maybe about an inch or so, but it has been brutally cold. So just wanted to give you guys an update on what's been happening here on the farm and how we prepared for the cold weather. So the one way that the horses stay warm is by eating hay and keeping fuel basically in their tank. So when their stomachs are full, that's how horses keep warm. So over the last couple of days, we have been running hay bales out to the horses nonstop. I think we've put out hay pretty much every day during this storm. So they've been staying warm and everyone's been doing good. And this was a little bit from what's been happening here on the farm with the storms and how the horses are doing. So everyone was asking what we do ahead of the cold weather that's coming, so I thought I'd do a video on that. Most of the horses are all fine. The only one I was a little bit worried about was Scarlet, so I just brought her back in the barn. She's eating some sweet feed. She's hanging out over here with Princess Buttercup and Chavo. Chavo's hanging out outside over there somewhere. But I brought these guys back inside just because she's a little bit underweight still. She's eating some sweet feed and she'll be able to stay warm and dry inside the barn. Everything's already taken care of for the horses on the other side with water, and obviously I feed all the horses on the inside of the barn, so these guys will all be taken care of. Tomorrow morning Taryn's going to come and we're going to put out hay again tomorrow morning. It's a little bit redundant because we just did it yesterday and we can probably make it till Friday, but Friday is when it's going to get cold, so we just want to make sure that the horses have calories, some extra calories if they need it. Chavo's tanning out here in the sun. And these guys obviously have the Richie water. We are also going to throw out some extra alfalfa over the next couple days for them so they have extra calories, because alfalfa is higher in calorie content, so we'll throw out some extra alfalfa. What are you doing? So they'll have extra calories with alfalfa, so we've got plenty of that on hand. And that pretty much gets everyone together. I mean, the donkeys have the overhang, so they'll stay under the overhang along with the horses. They'll also stay in the lean-to, but the horses that I was most concerned about are inside the barn already. Little Scarlet's inside, and everyone else is inside as well, so everyone will be good to go for the cold weather that's supposed to start on Friday. HF&C is coming tomorrow. They're going to deliver me some more feed, just so we have extra feed here in case we have any issues. Right, Buttercup? Yes, Princess Buttercup? Yes, hi. I know you're a good girl. Everyone sensed the storm, I think, because everyone was being a little bit frisky. This is Marty on the left and Onyx on the right. The black horse is Onyx, and they started playing, and I caught this really cute moment. Lady Nolan and Birch. Onyx, you're funny. Be careful, don't get hurt. Don't get hurt, Marty. You're faster. Run, buddy. I have a blanket and I just brought it out to the pasture and I was going to put it on Agnes. And you would think that I was trying to murder every horse out in this pasture right now. It's just a blanket, you guys. See? It's just a blanket. It's just a blanket. I know, it's just a blanket. Do you want it on you? Do you want it on? How about you, Frank? Do you want it? Clearly, all of these horses have never had blankets before. So, because everyone is darn terrified of it. It's okay, bud. Easy, guys, easy. It's okay. It's just a blanket. It's just a blanket. It's just a blanket, see? Oh, man. Okay, well, clearly everyone is fine without a blanket. So the snow's starting here. Simon and Richard are playing over there, so they don't seem too fazed by the snow. I'm sorry, that's not Simon, that's Harvey and Richard and Corby's. What are you guys doing? Oh wait, that's not Richard. It's Martin. Hi, Corby's. Or I'm sorry, that's Marshall. Hi, bud. How are you? Are they playing? Here, so here's a perfect example. So the snow sits on top of their hair, and underneath is all dry. So that's how these guys stay warm. Hi, Luce. Are you okay? Yeah, it's very burrs. Chavo, you are able to go inside and you're standing outside in the snow. Hi guys, what y'all doing? Donkeys are huddling together. Y'all staying warm? Hi Maggie. Are you warm? Hi Sugars. Stay under the overhang. Hi guys. Oh, someone's out there bronking. Playing. Hi lady. You okay, Sugar? You got stuff all over your nose, baby. Hi guys. Are we all good? We got our backs to the wind. Marty, how are you? Hi Marty. Hi bud. Frankie. Everyone's weathering the storm. Hi bud. How are you? Are you okay? I think all the donkeys are underneath here. And I want them to stay, so I'm not going to go under here. Oh, what are you doing back there, little bud? Little Remy's in the back with the donkeys. And Athena's guarding them. I think that's probably the cutest darn thing I've ever seen. Little Remy's over there in the corner. It's actually nice under this overhang right here. Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi, bud. You guys don't have to leave. Stay inside where it's warm, kids. Yeah. Harper, Summer. All the donks. Good job, guys. Stay warm. Walter and his donks, he's obviously letting them all stay inside where it's warm, so that's good. I'm gonna throw them a little bit more hay inside. I know, Walter. Keep your donks warm. Yeah, you keep your donkey ladies warm. I know. And hi, sweetie. Freedom's eating. You guys got lots of water. Yes, hi, little Scarlet. Yeah, hi, sweetie. Hi, guys. How are you? Are you doing okay, Princess Buttercup? Yeah, I know. We're riding out the storm. Everyone seems to be doing good. Cats are staying warm. Got enough shelter up for everybody. Donkeys are good. Oh, there's little Spockies right outside the door eating. But everyone's doing good here on the farm, which is what makes me happy. So everybody, we are working in the, it says it's 0, it feels like -2, so it is cold. The temperature just keeps falling and falling and falling. You sleeping in? Are you tired? Did you stay warm last night? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. I know it's very burrs. And I came out probably about 9 o'clock last night to check on everybody, and the horses had knocked down those panels out there. And when they did that, there were about 20 horses inside here. So in the middle of getting everyone sorted back out, Polly ended up inside, which I'm not upset about, but they're doing good inside here in the barn. So Pollywog got a reprieve, and she's inside here with Buttercup. So there was that. The snow's starting to fall again. We got everybody taken care of though. Inside the barn, outside the barn. Everyone's standing under the overhang. Yeah, you're standing under the overhang. That's a good key. Good job, bud. Hi, guys. Hi, beauties. Hi, guys. You okay? Everyone doing good? All the donkeys are under the overhang over here. Yeah, good job, guys. Hi, Apollo. Hi, pal. You warm? You feel warm? Yeah, you're warm. Yeah, good boy. Good morning, Sir Frank. How are you? You got snow on your nose. Yeah, you got snow on your nose. Yeah. Hi, pal. Yeah, how's my boy? You got snow on your nose? Were you licking the salt block? Yeah, you got the salt block. My jacket's not a salt block. Yeah, are you dry? Let me see. Yeah, you're dry and warm. Yeah, you're dry. Yeah. Everyone seems to be doing good today. They ate a lot of the hay down. There's still hay in the feeders though. So they're probably about half full. But so when horses lay down, when it is cold like this, the ground is warmer. So that is another way that they're keeping warm. But horses do stay warm by eating. And obviously that's why we filled up the feeders again last night. because we wanted to make sure that these guys were warm throughout the night, and they seem to be all doing good. Yeah, you rolling? Are you okay, mamas? Oh, good job. Oh, good shake. Good job, sweetie. How are you, sweetie? Amber, how are you, mamas? Baby. If you want to keep more up to date on everything happening here on the farm, head on over to our Patreon account where we post videos multiple times per day of the horses. Get to see exactly what's happening as it's happening here on the farm. But that's what's been happening here on the farm. If you guys wanted to support us in any way with feed, donations, anything, you can do that all through the bighooffoundation.org. We've gone through a ton of feed over the last couple days, so we definitely always need feed, and we do have a fundraiser going for all our feed. So stay tuned. We will have more updates for you, and hope everyone's doing well, and we'll have more updates for you soon. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye.